water density experiment. For this I am using water, 2 lemons and salt. I am take the lemon, put into the water. Seal fencing. I will salt into the water. I am take lemon, put into the water. See, it's not floating because this salt makes hair density. So this lemon contains lesser density in the density of water. This is the glass. Lemon has higher density than water density, so sinking. This experiment shows that an object less density water flows in it, whereas the density of the other object which has dense water sinks in it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Bye.